Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 11:15 p.m. At 10:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Edgerton, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Janesville, Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Milton, Edgerton, Lake Koshkonong, Fulton, Albion, Busseville, Indian Fort, and Leiden. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Little plane going by.
Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 11:15 p.m. At 10:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waterloo to near Lake Somerset, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Edgerton, Waterloo, Johnson Creek, Deerfield, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Axonia, Ashibon, Albion, Lebanon, Milford, Utica, Ridgewood, and Rockdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for south-central and southeastern Wisconsin. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11:15 p.m. for northwestern Winnebago County. At 10:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Durant, or 10 miles southwest of Rockton, moving northeast at 75 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Beloit,
Second time this is happening. I'm trying to get the sirens.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 11:30 p.m. At 10:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Watertown to near Orfordville to Beloit, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Watertown, Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, South Beloit, Lake Mills, Milton, Edgerton, Johnson Creek, Palmyra, Orfordville, Footville, Lake Koshkonong, Lake Ripley, Axonia, Fulton, Rome, and Albion. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for south-central and southeastern Wisconsin.